Hi guys, I want to read you a quote. Gold is the money of kings, silver is the money of gentlemen, barter is the money of peasants, and debt is the money of slaves. With that in mind, would you rather be a king with gold? Would you rather be a gentleman with silver? Or would you prefer to be a peasant or a slave? I know which category I'd rather have myself in. Unfortunately, in the UK, they make it somewhat difficult to buy silver. There is VAT, value added tax, on new silver in the UK. Now, there's a few ways you can get around this. You can buy circulated silver coins, because as much as the government see silver as a luxury, therefore it has VAT on it. Silver used to be money in the UK. Prior to 1947, silver coins in the UK actually had silver content. So we still have silver coins, 5p's, 20p's, but they don't actually contain any silver. Before 1947, silver coins actually had silver in them. So you can either buy those on eBay, circulated silver coins, things like sixpences. You can avoid VAT that way. But if you want a new coin, if you want a 1 ounce Britannia, if you want a 1 ounce Canadian maple, at the moment, before the UK fully leaves the European Union on the 31st of December this year, you can still acquire silver VAT free. Now, this is a website, Silver to Go. They operate out of Germany. Now, because we're still on good relations with the European Union, because the 31st of December hasn't hit yet, you can order this from Germany. It's a very efficient service. Deliveries within a few days. I have no affiliation with this website, but I thought this is an important video to make because everybody should own some silver, some gold. And once we go past the 31st of December this year, it's quite probable you will not be able to acquire VAT free silver from dealers within the UK. Even posted from Germany, right? Because once we fully leave the EU, you'll pay customs charges, you'll pay VAT almost certainly from stuff coming from elsewhere in Europe. So this is a website, Silver to Go. They sell 1 ounce Canadian maples. Current price today, £19.66, which is a long way above spot price, but everywhere's a long way above spot price at the moment. They also have 1 ounce Britannias, £20.99 now. Either of these coins is good in the UK because the Britannia coin is technically a coin that is not subject to capital gains tax. So bearing in mind, if silver shot up a lot in value and you unwind your silver position, like you exchange it back for pounds, if it goes up a long way, you could pay capital gains tax. Now, capital gains tax doesn't trigger till quite high. Things like you can make £12,000 in a year, something like that. You'd look it up exactly, but it's quite a big gain. But maybe in a hyperinflationary environment, you could hit capital gains tax easier than you may think. Now, this is just an example of what a silver maple goes for on eBay. £27.50. Now, if you order through Silver to Go, £19.66. So there's a big difference. There's potentially an arbitrage opportunity if you were to bulk buy from Silver to Go and relist on eBay inside the United Kingdom. So there you go. It's just a bit of a heads up as we approach the 31st of December. Bear in mind, once you go past that, it's quite probable you will not be able to import VAT silver from elsewhere inside the EU. I mean, Silver to Go is coming from Germany. Very reliable service. There are other people that do it. I think some send from Estonia. Silver to Go, in my opinion, I have no affiliation with them, but they have a very good reputation. I wouldn't hesitate from ordering from them in the future. Everybody should own some silver, some gold. You want to be a king, you want to be a gentleman, you don't want to be a serf, you don't want to be a peasant or a slave. So just bear that in mind. I mean, silver's a lot easier to acquire for like the average working person, right? Well, what's a 1 ounce gold maple at the moment? £1,700, something like that. So it's much easier if you only got a little bit of money, buy silver rather than gold. I like both. Gold's good, silver's good. Basically, exchange your pounds for these coins while these prices are still relatively good. I think gold and silver's going up. It could go down. Bank of England come out tomorrow, set interest rates at 6%. Gold and silver's going down if that happens, but that's not going to happen. Inflation's probably going to get worse. Economy's going to deteriorate more. Gold and silver will probably go up in value over the next months and years. Just a little heads up, get it before 31st December, VAT free while you still can, before the UK leaves the European Union. UK being in the European Union hasn't been much benefit to the UK, but there are 1 or 2 opportunities like being able to buy VAT silver from elsewhere in Europe. Get it while you can. VAT free silver. Jason from Liberty Bunkers sign off, and I'll see you in the next video.